your arm moving after your vaccine injection is the best way to get your sore arm feeling better more quickly. But what if your arm is so sore that you can't even lift it? I have a few suggestions that can help. My name is Roxanne Meldrum, and I'm a physical therapist with PT Health Academy. I have 3 options for exercises you can try when your arm is too sore to lift after your vaccine injection. Using a pulley is a great way to have your non-painful arm help your painful arm do some work. So if my left arm is my painful arm, I'm going to use my right arm to lift that left arm as far as it's comfortable going. If you're not getting enough range out of the pulley, you may have to wind one side up so that you can pull your non-painful arm further if it's comfortable with that. You're going to do 10 to 15 repetitions straight forward, and then you're going to aim for 45 degrees to the side, and then you're going to aim for straight out to the side. 10 to 15 reps in each direction. If by the end you're not happy with the results, go ahead and do all 3 of those directions one more time. Another option is to rest your painful arm on an exercise ball and have your right arm take that left arm for a ride, front to back with the ball, 10 to 15 repetitions, and side to side on the ball, 10 to 15 repetitions. Initially, the arm doesn't do any work and just goes along for the ride, and as it's starting to feel more and more comfortable, it can help do more of the work with each repetition. Again, it may take a few rounds for you to feel some benefit and some relief in your arm. Now let's take a look at some dowel exercises that can be really helpful. The easiest place to start with a dowel is on your back. You're going to raise the stick up over your head as far as you're comfortable going and come back down. So you can keep it small for starters and then work your way up as you feel more comfortable. 10 to 15 repetitions over your head. Then you're going to progress to a little chest press exercise where you're just pressing straight up to the ceiling, 10 to 15 repetitions. When you're ready, you can progress to standing, and you're going to reach that cane up overhead using your non-painful arm to assist your painful arm. 10 to 15 reps overhead. It doesn't really matter how far apart your hands are, whatever's more comfortable for your painful arm. Next, you'll clip your thumb to the end of the dowel and you'll use your non-painful arm to guide your painful arm out to the side and up over as far as it's comfortable going. If you need to start small and work your way up, doesn't matter, whatever feels comfortable for that arm. 10 to 15 repetitions. These don't have to be big movements, so keep them small if you need to. It's the repetition of movement that increases blood flow to your arm that helps to resolve your symptoms. You may find you need to repeat these exercises frequently through the day to keep your arm symptoms settled. And it may take several days for your arm to feel 100%, but doing these exercises regularly will speed the process along and help your arm to feel more comfortable. If you're finding these exercises to be too easy and you're ready for a challenge, check out the video linked at the end for instruction for a dynamic warm-up that is a more advanced program to get your arm feeling better more quickly. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe. It really does help my small business grow. Thank you so much for listening.